Lesson 10.1, Memory Interface Basics. Open it from the free Verilog curriculum. I opened the free Verilog curriculum, click into this lesson, and wait for the docs pane to load. The lesson loads, and the docs on the right become our guide. You will implement synchronous writes into a 16x8 memory array. Clear on reset. Write doubly that when enabled. Read back, pass. RTL memories are register arrays. Writes belong on a clock edge. Reset can zero the array. Then write enable writes mem of address less equal w data. Reads may be combo from the array. Still verify read after write. 16 times 8 mem with sync write and simple read path. Your TODOs are the reset clear and the write assign. Fill 8x0 clear and mem address less equal w data. Then Ctrl S. Those edits are in. Next we open simulation, press run, and check the log for pass. Open simulation and press run. The log writes AE55 and reads them back, then pass. In Surfer, right-click the TB scope and add the signals. Surfer, we address data on the following checks. Yosys may map to registers or memory primitive. Open the circuit schematic to see the synthesized netlist. Review, sync, write only, no combo, write races. The TB writes two addresses and reads both back. That is memory interface basics. See you in the next lesson.